If you would like to see how I turn this into this, stay tuned.
No, no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Outre. It is their Color Bomb collection, and her name is Kayleen. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below, so make sure y'all are checking it out. Y'all already know the drill, so we're gonna get right into it. She got 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. So let's talk about the highlights of this wig, the color. So this is not, again, I repeat, this is not the Melted Hairline series or the Perfect Hairline series. She will not be giving you that much of hairline space to pluck. She is going to give you some centimeters, but you know, I still made her work. I just plucked it a little bit. I honestly feel like I didn't even have to do this part. And I did end up using the baby hair. Now, did I use that baby hair the way it came? No, but you will see throughout the video how I made that work. The space between the lace and the tracks of the wig is very minimal, so be mindful of that, y'all. Again, like I said, this step is optional, but I did want to open up that part some more. Y'all, I'm so used to wigs giving me scalp. I'm so used to wigs, you know, having a hairline where I'm able to work with it. But I wanted to try her out, see if I can finesse her. So, yeah, I was getting worried, y'all. I was scared. I was scared, but you know, I was just thinking positive the whole time. Just thinking positive the whole time. So at first I was going to do the method where I have my hair out on top of the actual lace / wig or whatever the case is. And no, my forehead was foreheading, and no, it was just too much. And I'm like, okay, well, let me just lay this lace down and just see what I can do, y'all. Yeah, that was a fail. So I just went on and just glued it down. This colorway, Outre, please, I hope y'all are listening to me. Please create this colorway, this style, or whatever the case is in the Melted Hairline series or the Perfect Hairline. Please, I really love this color. So we're going to take her down. I was 2 seconds away from doing the updo, and I'm like, Cat, how many updos you finna do on this channel? Let it go. Let it go, baby. Let it go. So I am using my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powdered foundation in the color 355 Coconut. And I'm like, okay, wait a minute, Cat. You did something. let's get into the pros and the cons. How I am feeling Kayleen. 10s across the board as far as the color, as far as the style of this wig. Like, this was such a beautiful wig to put on. That was another pro for me. I really loved how this lace just laid down, okay? But the con I will say about this wig, after a while, she baby tangled up. I'm so glad I had a wide tooth comb. I wouldn't do a wig brush. I would do more so of a wide tooth comb, because you don't want to lose the curls or whatever. You're doing too much of manipulating and too much of combing and brushing and running your fingers through synthetic hair. Is gonna do what a synthetic wig is gonna do, baby. So please just appreciate it for what it's gonna give you for that moment. All right. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you want to stay a little while. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. Let me know how y'all feeling Kayleen down at the bottom. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.